To download Strava app on your Apple Watch, you will have to start by opening All Apps screen, and you will have to start by opening Apps Store. And over here, you will have to go for the search at the top. So click on that icon. And right now we got like two options. We can use keyboard or we can use voice search. And I will just highly recommend you to use voice search because the keyboard is like really small and it's hard to actually type on it. So let's go. And now we have to search Strava. Click on the search in the right upper corner. And here, as you can see, the Strava is available and we have to click on the get. And now we just have to wait for downloading. So we have to double click this side button to install. And after that, we have to input our passcode. Now it's processing, so we have to wait a little bit. And here we can follow downloading process, so it will take around few seconds. I hope you find it useful.